All right, good morning, friends. Or good afternoon. What you're going to do today for the reading lessons, go over our I can and I will statements. I can identify and analyze the author's use of text and graphic features. And by today, I will write the text features and why the author included it. So materials that we'll need are listed in Schoology. You'll have you have them at home. My book, and we're going to read pages 228 and 231 today. Journal if you have one, if you've been printing these out and gluing them in your journal. The anchor charts provided on the left side, and also these are in Schoology. And then your hurricane text graphic feature assignment if you want to print that out, or if you want to write down a piece of paper, because we're going to go over some answers and the mastery check is finished the rest. So if you want to get a piece of paper out, pencil out, finish that. All right, let's move on. All right, for the I do. So let's look at this text and graphic feature. Okay, it says a surge. It says a surge is a sudden and powerful movement forward or upward. So, and then let's look at eventually. Eventually, to state that something will happen eventually means that it will happen at some time, usually after a series of other events. So if I look at these, they're providing some kind of definition for a word. So I think it would be glossaries. So we're going to write glossaries. Well, why did the author include this? Okay, well, the author included this to provide the definition for the word used in the sentence in my book. So I'll go ahead and pause the video if you get those answers down. Okay, now let's move on to the we do. Let's do these together. Okay, so it's a picture. Okay, but let's look at that arrow. What is that arrow? Now this isn't in your chart, or in your anchor charts, but this needs to be mentioned. Okay, it's a picture with some kind of writing on the picture. What is that? Well, that is a caption. And what a caption does is explains what is going on or happening in the picture. And you might see this a lot on TV, for advertisements a lot. So for McDonald's, they usually will have a picture of the meal, and then they'll have a caption explaining what comes inside the meal. Or I'm trying to think of something else that you might see advertisement while you're driving on the road. You might see an advertisement and then explaining what that picture is explaining. So that is a caption. So text features aren't just in our books, friends. They're in our everyday lives. Okay, let's go on to the you do. For the you do mastery check, you are going to finish the rest. So in the second column, you're going to tell me what the text graph feature is, and then tell me what's the purpose? Why did the author provide this? If you have any questions, always log in for your teacher's office hours in Schoology. Y'all have a great day.